Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting tutorials, and in this short video tutorial I would like to share with you how to crochet this beautiful braid. If you're a fan of making crochet bags, so this is a perfect bag handle. If you use a little bit lighter yarn, you can make, for example, a bracelet, and it will look also great. You can also use it as crochet top straps or straps for sundress. Here I've done it as well in brown color. I'm not going to use brown for camera because it's hardly visible, but look, if you are a fan of doing t-shirt yarn bags, so this tutorial is for you. Just check it. It will be a great help of doing bags handles. Here, as you can see, I am using their t-shirt yarn, and that's how it looks. And you will need the 2 strands of yarn, so prepare 2 balls. And in this video I'm going to use 9mm crochet hook, but I would say 10 will be even better. So let's get started. Make a slip knot. Do not tie it. Then chain 1, and you turn like this and pick up this stitch, the first stitch, and take another end, another ball, and make a slip stitch like this. Now you turn the braid clockwise and find this stitch. Go underneath this stitch and already pick up yarn that you will work in at the beginning and make a slip stitch. Turn again clockwise, find this stitch. It's not the previous stitch, but one before. And now you see again the yarn. Go underneath the stitch and the yarn that you joined. So you pick it up and make a slip stitch. Turn again, go underneath and slip stitch. Look, I leave that yarn and take another one and make a slip stitch. Turn, leave that yarn and take a new and make a slip stitch like this. Turn again clockwise, take another yarn. So you will not mix this yarn, because when you go underneath the stitch, the yarn is sticking at the same side that you need. But if you mix it, you will not get that perfect braid. So leave the stitch and pick up the new one, go underneath the stitch and make a slip stitch, and again. So it is really fun and fast crocheting and easy. I'm really enjoying doing this. Underneath and slip stitch. Go underneath and slip stitch. Underneath and slip stitch. That's how it looks. slip stitch, slip stitch, and like this. Same from both sides. Perfect. Braid. This is the one I've done before, and I'm going also to use this yarn to show how to crochet a bag. So wait for this tutorial. I hope you will enjoy it as well. Thank you so much for watching this short video tutorial. I hope it was useful for you and you enjoyed it. Please like it, subscribe and share this video, and I hope to see you soon.